Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about operator in SQLs. So basically it works as spreadsheet. So now I want to run this query here. First of all, I write the structure, select and from. So after from I choose the table 1, and here under select I write the name of the columns. So here first of all I write the make price highway map, comma, and city mpj. So here now I want to find the price plus highway and city mpj. So it's pretty easy. I just put comma here, and here I just type here price plus highway plus city, and here as total. That's it. So I can also just personalize it a little bit. So I just order this, order by total in descending order, and also I want to limit it to just 5. So I just run the query. Here it is. You can see here I have the model here, make, I have the price here, and also I have the highway mpj and the city. You can see 16 plus 14, 30 plus this. So it's the result. It works pretty easy. And here I just, if I want to use other operators like minus or addition or multiply, so we do the same way. For example, I just remove this, change it to minus, and here you can see the result. If we have a longer formula, so we can just put that inside a bracket. So after that it will, for example, I just want to add price to highway and also multiply by city. I put bracket here and here, so I just add here, multiply this, just run this, and here it is. You can see the result. So that's it about operators. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.